Meet John. John is a busy executive who needs to hire. A lot. But sifting through interviewees is time-consuming work, and he is not an expert at it. One day, John discovers Excel Hire. Excel Hire utilizes AI technology to sort through top candidates and ensures you get the best one at a fraction of the time. Simply select the template for your open position, and the AI technology will go to work, sifting through qualified candidates' video and text entries, and will deliver the top recommendations for your position. When you have found the perfect fit, Excel Hire gives you a one-page summary of everything you need to start a contract, such as the applicant's ID, immigration, skills, education, certification, and other necessary forms to begin the employment process. Nice going, John. Let Excel Hire's AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on finding top-tier talent for your open positions today. Sign up today and get 20 free screenings on us.